Hello everyone. So today we're going to be doing this blingy, snowflake, wintry type of design here. First thing I want to say is I apologize for the ratio of this video. In the future, it will not be 9:16, it will be 16:9, I think it is. So just keep that in mind. Promise it won't be like this every video. So I'm just mixing up white and clear polish to create like a more milky white color. I'm taking this to create the blocks and to basically create a negative space in the middle of the nail. You'll see what I'm talking about. Just using a liner brush, and that's going to be the easiest way for me, at least, and a lot of people, to be able to make a straight line across. And then I'm going to take that color and I'm also going to fill it in and paint it, the rest of the way. I'm just doing the bottom now, and it's going to have a middle area where it is clear. That's where our cracked crystal-like ice is going to be. It's a really cool effect. I like how it looks. You want to cure it, give it a second coat. Luckily for this design, we don't need our polishes to be super opaque. I like it kind of see-through. So these are my Snowflake decals available in Etsy. I will link it, of course. Look at the really cute details in them. They're like anime kind of style snowflakes. I'm going to cut out the one that I want to use for this nail, and they are transparent decals. These particularly, I printed them out as transparent. You do have the option to print it out as white, but when I do transparent background paper, I like to cut as close as I can to the image, so that way I don't have so much excess that I have to file off on the nail. So I dip it in water for about 10 seconds, take it out, let it sit for about 30 seconds. And then it should easily slide off the backing paper very easily, like so. Very important part here, you want to apply a base coat so that way the decal sticks to something. You want to cure it, and then the decal should stick very, very well on that base, and you won't have much of a problem with the decal sticking to the nail. And it's very important. It's going to make your life easier, just promise, when you are dealing with decals. And then you can use your finger, you can use a tool to apply them and kind of pry them down. And yeah, it's as simple as that. And then when you file it off, you want to make sure that you do not leave anything. You want to file a little bit onto the nail. I don't know if this makes sense, but as you see, I'm filing downwards, and I'm also kind of making sure that the decal is not at the very edge. So I'm filing a little bit of the nail at that point to make sure when I seal it, it seals the entire decal. I'm not leaving anything on the edge of the nail. So I'm taking this Formagel and I'm putting it inside of the nail, you see. And this is going to kind of be the start of creating the ice crystal crackling thing. This is saran wrap. And then you want to just kind of crunch in the saran wrap and make all those little lines. You cure it, take off, and it leaves you with this really cool effect, which I really, really love. And actually, that's my first time doing it, so it was exciting for me. You want to clear top coat. Use a really good sealer to seal in those decals. You can even use a builder gel to further make sure that those are secure on inside the, encapsulated on the nail. So now I'm applying some crystals, and of course this is my favorite part. My whole brand is Crystal Nail Art by Courtney. But yeah, when I do this part, I kind of like let my mind go free. I don't have any set desired placement. I have like a little bit of an idea, but really I'd go in with not really knowing what I'm about to do. So as you see, I'm kind of like just putting down what I think looks good, and I think it's coming along pretty great, to be honest. Yeah. So I'm going to be posting every single week, once a week. I'm finally doing this full time now. It's really exciting. So guys, you don't even understand how excited I am to be able to finally do this full time. I've never ever have been able to do this before, so I'm ecstatic. Also, I'm doing a series starting January for all year. Can you guess what it's going to be? Can you guess what it's going to be? I'll give you a hint. It starts with the letter Z. So, and I'm doing it every month. Each month will be a different design and style. So it's going to be really exciting. I am going to be doing a lot more intricate designs if this is not intricate enough. Yeah, they're going to be a little bit more darker, so get ready for that. A little bit more, I don't know, meaningful, I should say, like deeper messages behind the nail art itself. So anyway, I am on to the next nail, and I actually mixed up this color to make the perfect like blue. What color would you call this? It's not baby blue, or could be, I don't know, but it's beautiful, and it kind of looks like periwinkle. For this nail, I'm going to cut out these two snowflakes, and I actually put the base coat on now. Do not do that, because I'm about to use a cat eye color, and the cat eye is not going to move because I put on a base coat. Don't do that. But I will be using these beautiful charms that you just saw. This is cat eye polish, and you'll see what I mean when I tell you that it's not going to move because I put on base coat, and I just put it in a wrong order. I wasn't thinking. But the other nail that I did in the same exact design turned out really cool. So I went ahead and cured that to make sure it stays. Now I'm applying more base coat because now I'm applying the decals. Remember, you really want to make sure that you apply the base coat so that your decals stick as good as you want them to. Here I am filing downwards, and I'm making sure that I file some of the decal off the edge, so that way it is fully encapsulated in my clear coat. Make sure you go around the sides. That's very, very, very important. Don't just get the top, get all around the nail, all around. So now I'm applying some caviar beads, kind of to make it look like it's dripping. I don't know, to be honest. I got this inspiration from an ornament that I saw online. I thought it was cute, simple, easy, you know. And then on the snowflake, I'm gonna do this really cute, like symmetrical design with the stones. After all of that, you want to apply your clear coat. It's the finished look, guys. I think it's so simple and cute. It's so blingy. Let me know if you'll wear these. I think they're really cute. You know, I was looking at my hands, and I was like, wow, I'd wear these. Subscribe, and bye, guys. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in a later video. Bye.